Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the keyboard so the connection is stable and reliable. Charge it above 50% or keep it on USB power. Low battery can block initial pairing. Once charged, connect a data-capable USB-C cable. Cables that only charge will fail. Power the keyboard on and observe the LED. It tells you the device is active. Next, keep the cable connected to your computer's USB port so the host can detect hardware, and make sure the machine is awake and unlocked. Once the keyboard is physically connected, the host OS must enumerate it. You should open Device Manager or System Information to confirm it appears as a USB HID device. If the manufacturer provides a driver or utility, install it now. That enables lighting, macros, and layout selection and prevents misinterpreted key codes. After installation, select the correct layout in the utility. Then test fundamental keys in a text editor to verify scan codes and modifiers register correctly before moving on to customization. You finalize setup by adjusting lighting, macro banks, and sleep timeout inside the keyboard utility so it behaves predictably. Once configured, save profiles to onboard memory if available, then unplug and reconnect to ensure settings persist. If keys are unresponsive, first safely eject the device, reconnect, and retest. Transient USB negotiation issues are common. If problems persist, use the hardware reset option, either the pinhole reset or the documented key combination, to return to defaults, then repeat detection and driver steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.